In this video, I'm going to show you the top 7 products to sell right now in the middle of October onto November and December 2020 and even into 2021, all throughout Q4 and winter, so you can get the best results for your Shopify store right now. Hey, it's Rafael Cintron here, and I'm a big believer that the winning product or the product that you're selling on your Shopify store has a gigantic impact on the results that you get. Just like this student right here, who from my free content, learning from free, watching the videos, learning what products to sell, learning what Facebook ads to run, and actually running one of my products, was able to make $3,000 in the course of a week. And that student before wasn't getting any results. And why he got those results is because of a video that he watched about winning products. And he took the product that I talked about, he then went and watched a Facebook ad video of mine, learned the strategy, and then got results for his Shopify store. I want the same to you. I want you to get results. I want to give you the best products to sell, and I want to give you the right strategy to sell them. So that's why I make this particular video. And before I show you the products, if you want to take your Shopify business to the absolute next level, or you want to start it in the right way, we are holding a 5-day live Shopify training. I'm actually going to go live. It's a live webinar for 5 days straight in a private Facebook group, all for free. I'm going to teach you everything that you need to know about Shopify, how to get thousands of people results in their businesses, and how it can get you results as well. All you got to do is click that first link down in the description. We will be starting in just a couple of days from now. First product up, for people selling in the pet niche, or maybe you have a general store and you're thinking what product to sell there, and you're looking for one that's going to be good throughout winter. This one is definitely one for you. It's a winter cat cave or cat bed. You can call it the cat cave. It sounds pretty funny because of Batman, the Bat Cave. And this particular product, what it is, it's basically a cave or a little cat-shaped or cat-styled bed where the cat can go in. Cat beds and pet beds in general sell extremely well, and they've sold all throughout 2020 like crazy. Now that it's going to be winter, then people that live in cold environments, obviously the US, Canada, UK, Europe, they want to buy something for cold protection for their cats. And this one is a great product. You can get it for pretty cheap with the suppliers that we recommend here on the channel, Source Inbox, HyperSkew, eProlo. You can get it for about $18, $20, maybe even $15 with really good shipping times. And then you can sell it for about $40. If you have the right presentation, you can sell it really well. Already on AliExpress has 1,400 orders, and it's selling about 7 per day, so about 50 per week. So this is a product that if you sell it for, let's say, $40 or $30, can make you about $2,000 a week just from this product. And obviously you can scale it up. There's a lot of cat owners now with this whole COVID and quarantine thing. There's a lot more pet owners and cat owners all over the world that have bought cats just because they felt lonely during this quarantine. So this one is definitely going to be a big product in the following months. The next one up, tile kitchen stickers. How this one works is there's a lot of students that I have that do extremely well in the home decor, in the home improvement, home niche. And this one in particular is really good because it's cheap, it's simple to install, and it gives your kitchen or your home an extremely fancy and modern look. How it works basically. I'm gonna play the little video here. There's little kitchen stickers, and they are basically stickers. You stick them onto your kitchen, but they look like professional tiles. And they look amazing, especially throughout the holidays, especially in winter. A lot of people stay at home. They go to other people's homes. They spend a lot of time together in each other's homes. And obviously for the holidays, they tend to spend a lot of time together going to another house for Thanksgiving or for Christmas dinner. So this one is something that is easy to install. Like I said, it's pretty affordable, and you can make your kitchen look absolutely amazing. Instead of spending, let's say, $2,000 on real tiles and actually making it with real tiles, you can spend $20, $30 on kitchen tile stickers and make it look amazing. Products like this one that are for furniture, making the house look much more modern without actually spending money on like improvement, on actually paying someone to fix the house, they definitely sell a lot. Stickers like this or protection like this or making the house look much better has sold a ton for my students in the past. So I think it can do extremely well for you as well. Products like this have scaled up to the 6 figures, 7 figures. This one will be your next one. It's already sold about 2,000 orders on AliExpress here, selling about 73 per week or about 10 per day. So you can make a consistent $300, $400 if you price it right. And if you get it to that, you use the right Facebook ad strategy, which there's a video that I have on the exact strategy you should follow in the next couple of months. This one can be a huge one for you to sell. The next one up, for the kitchen niche or the cooking niche, or again, if you're selling holiday products, general products, it can really work. It is this adjustable layer cake slider mold or slicer mold. So how it works is you put a cake inside of here. Obviously, during the holidays, during Christmas, a lot of more people are baking cakes and making cakes for those holiday dinners for all the family to come and eat from the cake. And what you can do is basically slice the cake in the middle with this mold and then put the cream in the middle of it, so you can make a beautiful layered cake without actually having to put the layer on top of the layer. So somebody that is actively making a lot of cakes, actively making cakes for a holiday dinner or something, buying this product can be extremely problem solving and also provide that solution of having to, oh my God, I need to spend 5 hours making this cake. I can just spend 20 minutes, cut it up, put the cream inside of it, and then have the cake ready in just a couple of minutes. So definitely a big problem solver, very niche down and very targeted to this audience that is baking cakes or making beautiful layer cakes just like this one, like my grandma used to make. So definitely a really big product to sell in the coming months. It has already sold about 500 on AliExpress, and it's selling about 20 per week. Obviously, it hasn't been scaled up or sold a lot inside of AliExpress. I think it has a ton of potential, and I've sold products like this for kitchen that are problem solving for kitchen. So this one can be extremely good, especially all throughout Q4 and winter and the holidays. Another kitchen product to complement the actual layered cake maker, or just a product to sell in general, it is this adjustable measuring cup or adjustable measuring spoon. There was an adjustable measuring spoon a couple of months ago. I actually talked about it, I think in June or July. It sold 6 figures for a couple of my students and done extremely well. This is a new model of that adjustable measuring spoon that has not sold that much. So how it works basically is whenever you're cooking or baking or doing anything in the kitchen, it's pretty hard to have all of these little measurers and this cup and that spoon and this spoon. This one is sort of everything combined into one, just like he shows right here. And you can basically measure absolutely anything. Let's say you're putting flour on a cake, or you're baking a turkey for Thanksgiving, or the different holidays that we have coming forward. I think it has a lot of potential to sell. Again, just like the other model of this adjustable measuring spoon or this adjustable measuring cup. And this one is a little bit much more professional. The other one was literally just a spoon. This one is a whole cup. So you can put a lot of products into it. You can put oil, you can put flour, you can put pretty much anything that you want. You can scale it very accurately. Food grade material, so you can say that it's really high quality material. Comfortable handle. The other one was really uncomfortable to use. A lot of people are putting bad reviews about it. And you can basically bake absolutely anything you want, or just cook in general. So like I said, in these holiday dinners or these holiday times that a lot of people are going to each other's houses, getting food from grandma or the mom, cooking for everybody, definitely a big problem solver. Doesn't have that many orders yet, but could be really, really good in the next couple of months. And just because there was another product that was a winner, very similar to it, I think this one can be a great one to sell as well. Really quick note, I just want to congratulate Just Music. I don't have your name, but Just Music for winning the $0 to $300,000 case study that I did with my student Johnny. We go through the ads and the exact strategy that he used to go from $0 all the way up to $300,000 on his Shopify store, all completely broken down over the course of an hour. You have won that for free. Make sure to send me an email so I can send it to you. And if you're watching this and you want to win that case study and learn how to go from $0 to the multiple 6-figure level, make sure to comment down below where you are watching me from, your country or your city. Subscribe, hit that notification bell and that like button down below, and join the 5-day training. I will pick a winner from this video. For the next product up, even though I don't recommend general stores or selling products that don't really fit anyone, it's better to actually go into a niche, selling to a particular targeted audience. This one, this Neck Hug Book Reading Light, or Neck Hug Light, or you can call it pretty much anything that hugs you light. What it does is you put this light on you and you can pretty much read with it. You can walk the dog, or you can walk around, you can do barbecue with it, you can put the light around your neck, and it sort of hugs your neck and shows the light right in front of you, especially during winter and during these months that the sun doesn't come out as much. It's a lot darker, it's a lot colder, and people stay at home a lot more, especially now with this whole situation around the world. People are going to stay home even more than they do traditionally during winter or the holidays. You can read with it, you can, like I said, walk around with it. It also provides a sense of safety, so you don't just have to sell it to a person that wants to read at night, or maybe check their phone at night with better lighting, or just spend time at home. You can actually put it as a safety, as a precaution way of, hey, stay safe at night. It's winter, it's cold outside, it's dark outside, so make sure to use this light to protect yourself. There's many, many angles that you can sell this product with. right here, better support as well. So you can turn it up and down. You can turn it to the side, however you want the light to reflect. And for people that like reading, especially reading throughout the winter, is really, really good. Also for knitting. So there's many niches you can sell this product into and really target it down into your audience that is going to buy this product. So I think it can do extremely well. If you are not really sure about what to sell, if you're thinking, hey, I just need a product right up for Q4, I just want to start selling, I just want to start testing, we have a lot of beginners that have no idea what to sell, then this one could be a great one that you can consider into your arsenal and start selling and testing right now. All right, for the next product in the children and kids niche, a little bit out there, doesn't have that many sales, isn't really proven to sell. My product researcher found it, and I thought it could be a good product for the particular audience that it targets, or it could just be a good product for somebody that knows how to target it properly. So it's this kids seating posture corrector. It is not a normal posture corrector that it pushes your back out, just like the normal posture corrector that sold millions or 8 figures did before. This one is actually a little contraption that you put on your neck right here, on your chest, so the child can learn and maintain their posture really well when they are learning. So they can put it in here, and then they learn through it, especially with kids going back to school and a lot of kids learning at home. Parents might be worried of the posture, or just parents that are very worried about their child with the health of their body and just the growing up of the body. This one could definitely be a good one to sell. Like I said, it's not really proven. I did a lot of research into it, and obviously posture correctors are a big product that sells for kids a lot, the traditional posture corrector. This one could be one that is untapped. The reviews here on AliExpress are really good. People that have bought it here, the 61 people that have bought it here on AliExpress, show that it's a really helpful product and actually helps their kids. So if you have the right targeting, if you've sold products similar to it, or if you have that niche store that you can target this properly, definitely a good one to consider. Now for product number 7, a product that can sell in pretty much any niche. It's more targeted towards the home niche and the home decor niche and sort of the gadgets, technology niche, but can really fit anybody. And products like it, and literally the same variation but a little bit different, has sold a ton for my students before, and people buy many of them at a single time. It is a punch-free plug sticker holder. So what it does is basically when you put the plug of the socket, or the product, or the little socket where you put all of the plugs of your computer, of your phone, of your lights, whatever it is, then this one is a sticker that you put it onto your wall. So what it does is you take this part here and you put it onto your wall, and then this part here and you put it on the sticker. And what it does is you can put the socket pretty much anywhere that you want all over the house. Socket holder here, and you can put it like this in any wall. And you can do the before and after, so it solves a really big problem that you have things all over the house, especially if you have a TV, or in the back of the TV, it can be absolutely crazy. So it's a big problem solver for people. Strong adhesive, it's sticky for a long time, like this. Environmentally friendly as well, if you're in the eco-friendly niche. So it's just a product that can sell extremely well for many people. It is a cheap product, so what you want to do is sell it in a bundle, in many different product units at the same time to the same person. We talk a lot about increasing your transaction value per person, or average transaction value. This one is a product that you need to sell multiple of it. People will buy multiple of it, just like they bought similar products to it. Big problem solver. It also provides a really nice solution for pretty much anybody. You can do the before and after with the cables all over the place, and nicely done here. And you can say that traditional adhesives, or let's say you want to put like a regular that you buy on Walmart, like a little adhesive onto your wall. That one doesn't really stick for a long time. This one does. So definitely a product to consider if you have a general store, home decor, anything like that will sell a lot. Has already sold quite a lot. Sells about 30 per day or 40 per day. It can be scaled up to the next level, to the 6-figure, 7-figure point. That's it for these 7 winning products for the middle of October. And then the next couple of months, if you're watching this later on, this can still work all throughout winter and maybe even into spring. If you want to learn more and actually take your Shopify store to the next level, make sure to click that first link down in the description. Join us for our free live training. And if you want to take these products and then go and advertise them and know the right advertising strategy, the right Facebook ad strategy, how to go into your testing, how to go into your scaling, how to get results, just like my student here who's made more than $400,000 in less than 30 days. How she did that and how you can do it yourself. I made a case study on her with a step-by-step strategy. You can watch that right here. The video is going to pop up as a square right here. All you got to do is click it. You'll get to watch that other video. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, and that like button down below. And I'll see you in the 5-day training.